go. A lot of leaves on the ground. They're pretty slippery. Work all these leaves into the trail bed over the winter, and it really helps with the trail. Keeps it from washing out in a lot of places. Adds a little bit of loam to the trail bed, so just have to put up with them for a few weeks here in the fall when they're really thick. They fall and cover the trail sometimes. Unless you know where the trail's at, you can't even see it. And that's why it's one of my favorite little trails. It's quick, nice little downhill blast, some fun curves, nice little drop back there. Now we'll do a little uphill to the end of the trail right here, and that'll be it. Thanks for watching.